Hi. My name's Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. It's Saturday. It's August 24th, 2024. It's 1:16 a.m. I love Inside Edition. Deborah Norville, child, I've been rocking with you for years. But anyway, I just saw it's on now. I don't know why programming pushes stuff back. We on commercial. So I gotta get back to Inside Edition. Do y'all know people are decorating the inside of their refrigerators? I think I'ma do it though. Nothing live, all fake. Like a little fake plant or like some fake fruit. People are decorating the inside of their refrigerators. I think I like that. Bye.